तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे यूनिट 5 के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। तो यूनिट 5 का इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस क्या है? एक्सप्लेन द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ फंक्शनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ओवर प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो यहाँ पे दो टाइप के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ये देखिए यहाँ पे है फंक्शनल फॉर्मेट एंड प्रोजेक्ट फॉर्मेट। तो फंक्शनल फॉर्मेट में क्या है? पहला जो फॉर्मेट है यहाँ पे क्या है? projects, individual projects are present, there is a top management and top management will create project teams, and then these project teams, they will individually work on a particular project. So these are the ways of creating project team. नाउ सेकेंड इज फंक्शनल टीम्स। फंक्शनल टीम्स में क्या कर सकते हैं? हम रिक्वायरमेंट की एक टीम बना सकते हैं, डिजाइन की एक टीम। तो ये रिक्वायरमेंट टीम हो गई, डिजाइन टीम, कोडिंग, टेस्टिंग, डेटाबेस एंड नेटवर्किंग। अब कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट आ जाए तो उसका डिजाइन विल बी डन बाय द डिजाइन टीम। कोडिंग टीम क्या करेगी? हर प्रोजेक्ट की कोडिंग करेगी। टेस्टिंग टीम विल डू द टेस्टिंग ऑफ एवरी प्रोजेक्ट। सो which one is better? I hope you all can have contradictions in your answers. Now we can find out the advantages of functional organization, that is ease of staffing। मतलब हमको एक ही तरह के स्टाफ रखने हैं, टेस्टर्स, तो हर तरह का प्रोजेक्ट वो लोग टेस्ट करेंगे। प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी डॉक्यूमेंट्स, जॉब स्पेशलाइजेशन हो सकता है यहाँ पे, एफिशिएंट हैंडलिंग एंड करियर प्लानिंग इज इजियर। नाउ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑब्स्टेकल टू गुड group decision making. Explain Delphi decision making approach. तो good ऑब्स्टेकल्स क्या हो सकता है? एक तो है इंटरपर्सनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स। मतलब जब एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में लोग काम करते हैं तो उनके बीच में बहुत सारे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स ऑल्सो द ओवरऑल एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कम्स डाउन। सेकेंड इज रिस्की शिफ्ट। अगर ग्रुप में लोग अच्छे से काम करते हैं तो क्या होता है? जो रिस्की प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं वो भी इजीली वो लोग कर सकते हैं। सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स। देन डेल्फी अप्रोच क्या है? डेल्फी अप्रोच, डेल्फी वाज ओरिजिनली डिजाइन डेवलप्ड बाय Rand Corporation in 1960. The development of email clearly makes the application of the method much easier to organize. So to avoid dominant personality, including the following approaches adopted, that is specified by Delphi. First is enlist cooperation of एक्सपर्ट। मतलब हमें हर एक्सपर्ट का कॉपरेशन लेना जरूरी है। देन मॉडरेटर प्रेजेंट एक्सपर्ट विद द प्रॉब्लम, experts send their recommendations to the moderator. Recommendations are collected and circulated to all the experts, and then experts comment on the ideas of other and modify their own recommendation if so, and we have to continue steps 1 to 4 unless until we come with good recommendations. Write a note on SEI. So capability maturity model. So SEICMM describes an evolutionary improvement path of software organization from an ad hoc immature process to a well organized method. So we have provide guidance on how to control the process and how to evolve the process. 5 maturity levels are there, like we have these levels: initial, repeatable, defined, managed and optimizing. Then initial level, so every organization is at the initial level because the organization doesn't have a well defined path, so they are at the initial level. Now when the organization process is completely ad hoc, then software development process is not defined. Now repeatable में क्या होता है कि सेम प्रोसेस हमको अगेन एंड अगेन फॉलो करना है, इसलिए वो हमारा रिपीटेबल हो जाता है। इसके बाद हम कोकोमो टेक्निक फॉर एफर्ट एस्टिमेशन, साइज एस्टिमेशन दैट वी कैन यूज. Level 3 is defined, where all the management and development activities are defined and documented. Common organizational wide understanding of activity roles and responsibilities there. Manage means quantitative goal for products are set. Software process and product quality is measured. Measured value is used to control the product quality. Results of measurement used to evaluate product project performance, and we improve the process. And last is optimizing. Optimizing means we are continuously improving, but when we try to differentiate between 2 to 3 process, so we find that some process is better than the other process, so that process can be used again and again. That means we are going for process optimization. So statistics collected from process and product measured and analyzed, and continuous process improvement is based on what we have measured. Then the next question, it talks about what is reliability growth model. Explain any two reliability growth model. Reliability growth model, it denotes a trustworthiness or dependability. A reliability growth model, how the reliability of software product improve as failures are reported and bugs are corrected. So reliability growth model can be used to determine when during the testing phase a given reliability level can be attained. So we are having this reliability growth model, instantaneous failure rate we can find out. Then we can apply different formulas: error contribution, error correction, what is the execution time of failure, what's the mean time to fail, what's the mean time to repair. So all these are important for the reliability growth. Then what are the steps of conducting a post-implementation project review? Post-implementation project review, we can conduct project survey, then we can collect the objective information, collect project metrics like cost, schedule, then we can identify final project review can be done and prepare post-implementation review report and publish the report. Then explain the different reasons for which a project may need to be terminated. So there are two reasons. One is emotional, another one is intellectual. Then team members may pay more attention to issues such as getting resigned to a particular project, and they may not be having interest in some project which is backlog. So there may be team contract, then that can be renegotiated. Closure decision has to be taken. Project closure process means getting the client acceptance, archiving project deliverables, preserving project know-how, performing financial closure, and performing the post-implementation review, creating report, and finally releasing the stuff. So I hope unit number 5 you will study thoroughly and this video was useful. Thank you.